Been watching the NQ this morning. Really hasn't moved too much since the open. You can see I have this support area already identified on my chart, so really not interested in doing anything until we get a clear break below this. So I'm just waiting to see what happens. Okay, well, that's a clear break. So now we just need a retracement and a signal.
Order filled.
Sell signal 3.
Okay, so we got filled. Go ahead and mark this. Now we just need some follow through.
Stop filled.
Okay, we did not get follow through, did we?
NQ trade alert.
50, 72.
NQ, sell signal 3.
Order filled.
Okay, let's try that again. Maybe I wasn't clear enough. I was looking for follow through. Maybe the market will hear me this time, right? Look, if you get stepped out, don't get upset. Okay, it's part of trading. Accept it. Relax. Reevaluate. Did you make a good trade? Or did you make a mistake? I think I made a good trade here. Okay, it just didn't work out. Okay, we were waiting for this breakout all morning. We didn't know if it was going to bounce off of here and continue up or what it was going to do, but we had a definitive breakout. We retraced and I took the first signal. Usually the first signal
NQ trade alert
is enough. But there's no guarantees in trading, right? We don't know what the market
Target
NQ,
filled.
sell signal 3.
Okay, nice. Nice. Okay. So now we got a little bit of follow through. Let's just be a little bit more conservative though on this trade, because now we're operating with a loss. So let's just try and be a little more conservative.
Stop filled.
Okay. Just doesn't look like there's a lot of follow through today. So it looks like we're going to take a loss on the day. $170. Okay, but really, guys, that's not bad. Okay, could have been a whole lot worse, right? Okay, so we had a stop out. It happens. Expect it. Know that you're always going to have stop outs, period.
NQ, sell signal 2.
Just learn from them. Mark these charts up when it happens. Review them at night when your mind is clear. That's what I do after I've stepped away from the computer for a while. And reevaluate the trade. Try and learn from the trade. Did you do something wrong? Could you have done something better? Okay. In my opinion, this was a good setup. Okay. We waited for a breakout and we took the first signal. Usually the first signal is good enough. And so it just didn't work out this time. But we've had a great week so far. So ending the day with a small $170 loss, okay, it's not a $400, $500,000 loss for the day. Really, I just think my system keeps you safe. So follow the rules, follow the game plan, and in the long run, you'll be good. So I hope this explanation helps. If you have any questions, just send me an email. I'm always happy to help. Have a good one.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave us a comment down below. And while you're at it, follow us on Instagram at Renko.Kings.